Hey guys, let's make some keto smash burgers. You're gonna need all these ingredients here. We got sea salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, 1 pound of meat, some oil for frying, Hughes secret burger sauce, 8 slices of cheese, some pickles. So let's start by cutting up a tomato. You want to try and get 8 slices out of that. Cut up a head of lettuce. We're not going to use the whole thing. Might end up using maybe half a head. But I'm cutting up the whole thing and then we're going to wash it. One pound of hamburger. Put some oil on a flat top grill. Mix up the spices real good all throughout the meat. And we're going to split this into 8 different servings. So basically 8 meatballs there. Meanwhile, the flat top griddle is getting hot with the vegetable oil. We got 8 fiber tortillas, the mini kind. Just gonna stick those on top of the meat, smash them down, and you have to use a lot of force to really squish out this hamburger. We want it as thin as possible. So you can use a griddle press to smash them down and try and get as much contact as possible between that meat and the grill, and you leave that on top. When they're done, flip them over, put the cheese on top. Then I'm going to use that griddle to hover over the cheese to melt it. And you're done.